everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at National Toronto Pearson International Airport. My name is Kevin. We're going to take a look at some of the cars they have available here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And just one thing, just to give you guys a heads up. So National, Alamo, and Enterprise all share the same fleet. So any cars you see in any of the sections could potentially be used for any others. Anyway, let's get started here. And premier selection, we have a Mercedes. I believe that's a A220. And we got a BMW SUV, and somebody else taking this other Mercedes here. I'm going to double check. Because the new 300s have look a little bit different. Yeah, no, but this is an A220. And there's BMW, I think. This is an X3. I'll scoot past here. Somebody's taking that other Mercedes, and it's busy here. And then we got a Ford Edge here. And we got a Chrysler 300 here in the executive aisle. We got a Jeep Compass. Sorry about that, a bunch of people were coming through. We got a Ford Edge and a Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer I checked a little bit earlier. I think it's got about 20,000 kilometers on it. Mitsubishi SUV. Santa Fe. We got a VW. I believe these are Jettas. Ford Edge. Colorado pickup truck. Another Ford Edge. Oh boy, it's great to see so many new vehicles in here. Another Jeep Compass. Another Edge. And it looks like they're getting in a couple Mazda 6s. It's got the sunroof on it. Another Ford Edge. Mitsubishi SUV. And another Ford Edge. And we'll come back to that over there. Some of the reserve. Let's do the other side of the executive aisle here. We'll try and get things in a different order here so things are together. And we've got a Chevy Trailblazer, Mitsubishi, a couple more Ford Edge. And we've got a Hyundai Kona, GMC, a couple of these Toyotas, we've got a Corolla, and a Chevy. Another Edge Malibu, and another Edge. And just continuing on here in the executive aisle, we got another Mitsubishi, a couple Mitsubishi SUVs here. And I believe these are the same, the newer one on the right there. And we got another Kia, another Chevy Trailblazer, another Mitsubishi SUV. Maybe, you know what, maybe these are different. You know, let's just take a quick look here. Is this the Eclipse? Yeah, the Eclipse Cross. Okay. And shout out to a friend of mine, Paul, was asking about the Kia Soul here. Let's just take a quick look inside. They got a couple of them here. This one's got about 2,000 on it. According to the website, they all have Apple CarPlay. I'm just looking to see if this one has wireless charging. I don't see it. I could be wrong. There is a spot where you can put your phone there. And then just to give you an idea of the room in the back. And we'll continue on with a Ford Escape, a couple more Kia Souls. Oh boy, yeah, 3 or 4 more of them. Another Escape. We got a Santa Fe coming through here. We got a Honda CR-V. Don't see too many of those around. Chevy Equinox, Hyundai Kona, Toyota Camry, another Mitsubishi here. Ford Escape Corolla, RAV4, another Ford Edge, and got a bunch of the larger, this actually just came out, this Mustang Gt. Very nice with the, this is white? Is it? Okay, it's just got the regular wheels on it. I do like it with the stripe there. And then this is kind of sort of like the overflow reserve where a lot of the Jeeps and larger SUVs are parked, minivans. Somebody's taken this Escape. We've got another Camry here, and then this is the regular Emerald aisle. Got a Mitsubishi, another Kona here. Chevy Equinox, Mazda 6. Now it looks like those Mazda 6 have the sunroof. Got another Kia. Lots of Mitsubishis today for sure. Another Corolla. Corolla's got a sunroof. Got another Kona, another Kia Soul. This one's probably higher mileage just by looking at the license plate. Got a Hyundai, another Equinox. And probably maybe like a Mazda 3. And I think this is another of these VW Jettas. Alright, let's take a look at some of the cars in reserve. This is a VW Taos. I don't think I've seen one of those around. We got a RAV4 here, Ford Edge. Hyundai. This looks like, is that an older Sonata maybe? A smaller Buick SUV. Santa Fe. Yeah, we got a GMC Sierra. It looks like maybe like a Audi Q3. And then here we got the big ones. We got a Yukon, GMC Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, and a couple Colorado, or just one Colorado. And what do we got? Is this, is this a Traverse here? Yep, we got a Traverse and another Rubicon Gladiator. Yeah, I definitely want to try one of those sometime. It seems like they got a bunch of them.